Alright, so welcome back to the lab videos. So this is the last video for this experiment. Dr. Burks again. So now we're going to be measuring our third solid. So we're going to be measuring the density of an unknown solid. So this is unknown B. So you just saw videos of measuring aluminum and measuring unknown A. We're going to do the exact same thing here with our aluminum B. So I'm first going to weigh the mass of this metal cylinder. So our balance is zeroed. I'll put it on here. You will need to record this mass as the mass of unknown B. So record this number down. You'll need that for your density calculation. All right, now we've got the mass. We need to get the volume. So we're going to do the same thing you just saw in the previous videos. We're going to use a graduated cylinder, fill it up with about 15 milliliters of water. And then we're going to add our metal piece and submerge it in the water. And we'll look at the displacement of the water to determine the volume of unknown B. So I'm just going to tap it a little bit, make sure that there aren't any air bubbles, aren't any large drops on the sides. So you need to record this volume as the initial volume of the liquid in the graduated cylinder. And so write this number down as your initial volume. All right, so once we've gotten that volume, now I'm going to carefully, without splashing, try to add our piece of unknown B to our graduated cylinder. So slowly add it in, splashed a little bit, but none of it came out. Check that there aren't any air bubbles. So now you're gonna read the volume as your final volume of water. So you'll write this volume down, and then you could subtract your two volumes to determine the volume of your unknown B here. So now we've got the mass, we've got the volume of unknown B. So now we can go and calculate the density, then compare the density you calculate to the table of densities to determine what metal unknown B is, and then calculate your percent error away from that known value. All right, so be sure in your lab report, tell us what unknown B is and report your your percent error away from that known value for whatever metal unknown B is. All right, see y'all later.